Hi everyone, it's Michelle from mintmodels.com, and here today we are doing our very first unboxing video. As promised, we're going to unbox one of our new models that has come in recently. Now the one I've chosen is the AUTOart Koenigsegg One. This model did come out, the first shipment came out last month, but it sold out like that, and we're waiting for the second shipment to come in. I know many of you like to wait until a model's actually here before you place your order. Hopefully by doing this unboxing, you'll be able to see the details of this model and get an idea of whether or not you want to add it to your collection, because we are expecting that second shipment is going to sell out at pre-order as well. So for those of you who were fortunate enough to get one of these in that first shipment and have it in your collection, congratulations. And for those of you that are still waiting for your pre-order, it should be arriving in a couple weeks. And for those of you who are still on the fence about it, hopefully by the end of this video, you will be ready to place your pre-order. Okay, so let's get into this model. Here we have our beautiful Koenigsegg One. You can see how AUTOart has done it in this incredible pebble white finish. The paint finish on the composite is just absolutely stunning, the way that the light hits it with the carbon fiber accents and red trim. They've really just done a beautiful job on this model. What I love about the composite material is that they are able to give us those opening features that we love so much in a die-cast model, while still giving us that incredible paint finish that you see in a resin model or a composite. We have the opening features, like these awesome scissor doors that just, that is just so cool, the way that opens. The detail on the interior, the stitching that you can see on the seats, as well as the interior, you can see, hopefully it's picking it up, you can see the detail on the dash as well as the steering wheel. This is just an exceptional model. I can see why this has been our #1 model for the summer season and will continue to be that, because it's just amazing. Those of you who are still on the fence with this model, honestly, I can tell you, I would not hesitate. I would get your order in, like I said, and I'm sure you can see that it is really an exceptional piece that they've done here. Thank you for watching our very first unboxing video from mintmodels.com. If you like this content and want to see more, please like and subscribe below. And if you'd like to place an order, you can reach me directly at 1-800-341-4699, or go onto our website at mintmodels.com and place your order very quickly and easily there. We will be doing more of these unboxing videos in the future. Sometimes we have vault finds. When you've been in business as long as we have, you'd be surprised when you do inventory. Sometimes you find something that you didn't know was there. So as we find these, what we like to call vault finds, we will be doing unboxing of them as well. So you may, if you watch, you may find that we'll do an unboxing of a video of a model in a video that you haven't seen or hasn't been around for many years. If you have any comments or questions for me directly, I will be answering or responding to the comments below for the next couple hours after a video is posted. So feel free to put your questions and comments in the comments below. And again, thank you from mintmodels.com.